Hello! Welcome to another problem-solving video with Legacy Woodworking Machinery. I'm Chris, and today we're going to show you how Legacy handles sheet processing for cabinetry. Producing upper and lower cabinets with traditional tools can be very labor-intensive. Most cabinet components require moving each part through multiple workstations, which is a lot of work and requires a lot of equipment and a lot of space. Let's see how a Legacy CNC combines all of these manufacturing steps into one process, which will make you 3 times faster. In this example, the CNC process included drilling holes, machining the mortise and tenon joinery, and profiling to cut out the parts. Another advantage we have with CNC is the ability to nest multiple parts out of a single sheet. On average, the result of wasted material when nesting is 20% less than traditional methods. Altogether, this sheet only took 20 minutes to produce, and we have a complete set of cabinet components for one upper and one lower. As you can see, each part comes off the CNC ready for assembly. Because the CNC drilled holes for all the hardware, you can now mount your drawer glides before the box is even assembled. The CNC allowed these cabinets to be designed with qualified mortise and tenons. This type of joinery made the box assembly fast and simple while greatly enhancing the structural integrity of the cabinet. Again, a Legacy CNC gives you the ability to combine all of these manufacturing steps into one process, which will make you at least 3 times faster. When needed, CNC gives you the accuracy to even build frameless cabinetry, which requires extremely tight tolerances. Imagine trying to make curved cabinets like these without a CNC. Thank you Michael Zamarza, Tim Mackay, and Dave Berkebile for sharing your work. Now you can learn more about Legacy CNC systems in the following ways. To learn about Legacy's product line and to see which CNC system is right for you, visit our website at lwmcnc.com. If you have additional questions and would like to request a quote, call Legacy at 801-491-0010. In addition to producing the best problem-solving CNC, Legacy also teaches online CNC workshops, where you can learn how to program and use a Legacy CNC to its maximum potential. You can join our CNC community by calling or signing up on our website. To watch more problem-solving videos that focus on turning, sheet processing, joinery, molding, 3D carving, wrapped carving, inlay, and more, click right over there. Press the like, subscribe, and bell icon to receive notifications when new videos are released. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.